Hey kings, hey queens, baby, I am back. Yes, baby, y'all got on my head about the roasted chicken, grilled chicken, whichever one y'all called it, baby. So you know what? I came right on back over here, but especially for the bread. I am a bread lover, and baby, that bread sold me. So I'm back for the roasted chicken. Hey kings, hey queens. Baby, Elsa got her a bag of bread. Baby, yes I did, but I did get the okra and the roasted chicken, y'all call it, if that's what y'all call it. And I got me some okra. But let's say Gracie Poo so I can have me a snacky poo-ee. I'm going to get in trouble because my husband say stop eating in this car. But okay, let's say grace. Amen. Thanking God for the food, y'all. Baby, y'all was on my head about this roasted chicken, so I had to come back. Ooh. All I need is a little honey butter. And this the roasted chicken. Okay. I did get a mashed potato with no gravy. And I also got a fried okra. Y'all say yes to the okra better than churches. Let me see. Oh, hot. Oh, y'all. Why y'all ain't been telling me about the golden chicken? Baby, I would have been coming up here just for the bread. Baby, her good. Oh, 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 her good. Baby, let me tell y'all how I snuck out the house by myself, though. I told my husband, which I did go couponing this morning. And I told him I'll come back and put on some clothes and we'll go lunch together. But I was about, like maybe 11 minutes from the golden chick. I told y'all I was coming back. I like to keep my word. I came right on back. He told me no eating in the car. Baby, look at her. Her season down, that's for sure, baby. Baby, and the bread. Baby, I got me a bag of bread. I don't want to smush them up. 4 rolls for $1.99. Show y'all again. I'm pretty flat. I don't want it to be messed up. Oh, yes. Oh, but bye, y'all. I'm over my time. Y'all know y'all are some impatient people. Bye, y'all.